Welcome to part 1 of our introduction series for FRC rookies to regional and district events. There are 3 aspects to the competition: pits and awards, robot game and scouting. In this video, we will focus on the competition flow for day 1.
The first day is pit setup and practice matches. You will be given a 100 square feet pit area with a table. This is where your robot usually stays when it's not at the matches. You run maintenance and interact with judges at the pit. Your team should prepare with infographics for the pit in terms of brochures, books, banners, standees, etc. You must store a battery beak next to batteries to regulate the voltage. Do not overcharge the batteries. Keep a fire extinguisher and baking powder ready in case of a fire or battery leak.
You will have your robot inspection to check for your robot weight, area, height and bumper, sharp edges, pneumatic systems, electronics and other regulations. Your robot is allowed in the arena only after you have passed the inspection check. Failing inspection can also lead to cards.
There will be a driver's meet to brief all the drivers up about the challenge, game field rules, and where to keep their carts after dropping the robot off onto the field. Other topics discussed are how penalties are applied and when cards are handed out and what their consequences are. They brief you on where you can locate the volunteers and match referees in case of any issues and queries.
You will have 3/5 of the day for practice matches where a schedule is released. These matches are not counted in your team ranking but will be conducted in a similar manner to get you used to the match flow. This is when you can experiment with different strategies your team considered before coming. You also use these matches to fine-tune your autonomous code until you're up driving. The practice field is also available to practice and fine-tune your mechanisms and code. You can sign up for filler matches in case the other team does not turn up.
Your scouting and networking team should visit other teams' pits and learn about how their robots work. They should have a scouting sheet ready to make notes about the other teams, practice compiling the data, and ranking teams in terms of how you and the other teams can work simultaneously. This helps you find the teams who will be potentially table toppers.
So remember to improvise, adapt, and overcome. Thank you from Team Sigma, and don't forget to see our second part of this series.